Woke up stiff again, ankles tight, hamstrings pulling, balance off? That's your body telling you it's time to recalibrate. This isn't just about mobility, it's about reclaiming control. Let's hit the mat. Start standing tall, hinge at the hips and slowly fold down, letting your head hang and your arms dangle. Bend your knees slightly if needed. You don't need to force anything. Gravity is your best friend here. I promise this will decompress your spine and lock tight hamstrings and flush your nervous system with calm. Beginners, keep a soft bend in the knees. Advanced stretches, straighten the legs and hold the elbows. Here's something you may not know. Your hamstrings affect your posture all the way up to your neck. Feeling that gentle pull behind your knees? That's fascia releasing. Take a few deep breaths here. Hold 5 more seconds, let it melt. That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. Stand tall, grab your right ankle behind you, pull it towards your glute. Keep your knees close and hips square. Balance is a bonus here, but this is really about opening what's been sitting tight. I promise this will release your hip flexors and reawaken your core stability. Beginners, hold on to wall of the chair. Advanced switches, add a slight forward lean while keeping your back neutral. Do you wobble? Good. That's your nervous system resetting in real time. Five more seconds. Stay tall. Time to even it out. Now switch sides. Grab your left ankle, hips forward, chest lifted. Notice if this side feels different. Imbalances often hide until you bring them to light. I promise this is prepping your hips to move with more freedom and your lower back will thank you later. Most people have tighter quads on their dominant side. Which one is yours? Five more seconds. Keep breathing. That just realigned your hips. Now let's restore rhythm. Plant your feet slightly wider than hip width. Start moving your hips in full circles. Slow, intentional, controlled. This might feel silly, but your spine loves it. I promise this will rehydrate your joints, lubricate your lower back, and boost your circulation faster than most exercises. Beginners, keep the movement small. Advanced stretches increase the range and reverse direction halfway. This movement mimics primal patterns kids do instinctively. Before adulthood, it taught us to sit still and stiff. Switch directions. Now 5 more seconds of your smoothest circles yet. Let's finish strong with full body flow. Stand tall, bend down into a deep squat, elbows inside your knees, then lift your hips into a fold. Repeat slowly. This is a mobility goldmine. I promise this integrates everything, ankles, hips, spine, hamstrings, all in one beautiful reset. Beginners, don't worry if your heels lift. Advanced stretches, keep the heels down and slow the pace. Here's your challenge. Can you do 3-4 reps with control in the next 30 seconds? Last 5 seconds. Let's go as deep as your body allows. That's what rhythm feels like.